Yo, what's good guys? This is Nightwing2303 from WearTesters.com. Welcome back to Nightwing Knows. If you're ever interested in dropping me a line, all you gotta do is shoot me an email right over here. If you don't see your question answered right away, please be patient. There are literally hundreds of these emails coming in, so I'm doing my best. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the question.
While we're eating.
Will asks, what is your favorite comic book series that doesn't have Nightwing? What is your favorite shoe to wear casually that's not Jordan, Nike, or Adidas? Look forward to the video and hope you answer my question. So my favorite comic books right now, I would have to say are these guys right here. This is some of the newer Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle stuff, the IDW series, and I think that these are really, really wicked. They have a great mix of original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle like history, and they throw in little things that were from, you know, the cartoon series and the 2003 cartoon series and stuff like that. So I've been really digging these books, and the reason why these are novels is because I don't buy single issues, so I have to wait like 6+ months until they accumulate all in one book. So I'm behind the times with everybody else, but this is how I pretty much have always bought comic books, because I thought it was more worth my time than sitting there trying to like waste all this money every Wednesday. And one of my favorite shoes to wear currently right this moment that is not Nike, Jordan, or Adidas, and I'm actually wearing them right now, is these guys right here. This is the Speedform Fortis from Under Armour. These things are f***ing phenomenal. Super comfortable, got 2 colorways in them, and I just love them. I just slide them on and I'm good to go for the whole day. Of course there are others. You can also say the Under Armour Curry 1, which is strange that it's another Under Armour shoe, as well as the J Crossover 2, one of my favorite shoes of all time for obvious reasons. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm into right now as far as comics, as well as sneakers.